Welcome to Choose Health Daily. Today, we're diving into the top 10 best foods for liver repair. If you're looking to support your liver health naturally, you're in the right place. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and will not replace an actual medical consultation. Always consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Let's get started with our list of the best foods for liver repair. First on our list are cruciferous vegetables. Veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are packed with compounds that support the liver's natural detoxification processes. Including these in your diet can give your liver a much-needed boost. Next up are leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients that support liver function. They're an excellent addition to any liver-friendly diet. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants, which can help protect liver cells from damage. These tasty fruits are not only great for your liver, but also delicious and easy to add to your meals. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the liver. Incorporating these into your diet can help keep your liver healthy and functioning well. Nuts, including walnuts and almonds, contain healthy fats and antioxidants that support liver health. Snacking on a handful of nuts can be a simple way to enhance your liver's well-being. Garlic is another fantastic food for liver health. It has protective effects on the liver and may help activate liver enzymes that aid in detoxification. Adding garlic to your meals can provide these beneficial effects. Green tea is rich in catechins, antioxidants that have been shown to support liver function. Sipping on green tea regularly can be a soothing way to benefit your liver. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is high in healthy fats and antioxidants that can help reduce liver inflammation. Using olive oil in your cooking or as a salad dressing is a great way to support your liver. Citrus fruits like lemons, limes, and grapefruits contain compounds that help stimulate liver enzymes and promote detoxification. Starting your day with a glass of water with lemon can be a refreshing way to support liver health. Lastly, fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut are probiotic-rich and support gut health. A healthy gut is closely linked to liver health through the gut-liver axis. Including these foods in your diet can promote overall liver health. Now, let's discuss some key considerations. Recent research highlights the importance of gut microbiota in liver health and regeneration. A healthy gut microbiome can contribute to regulating the liver immune microenvironment, modulating inflammatory factors crucial for liver regeneration, and producing beneficial metabolites like short-chain fatty acids. When focusing on liver repair through diet, it's essential to emphasize a diverse range of whole foods and include both prebiotic and probiotic foods to support gut health. Limiting processed foods, added sugars, and excessive alcohol consumption is also crucial. While these foods can support liver health, they should be part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Patients with specific liver conditions should consult with a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. And always choose health daily. Your health is your wealth.